There is doubt being raised over the reason given by the Aquatic Sports Association of Jamaica, ASAJ, for the reduction in the amount requested for a scholarship grant to national swimmer Keto Campbell from world governing body FINA. TVJ Sports reported on Tuesday that Campbell's coach Rory Alvaranga submitted a budget of $2,250 to the ASAJ, but local swimming's governing body cut that figure to $700 before submitting the request to FINA. And the ASAJ said it did its own research and sought advice from the Finance Committee and Treasurer before coming up with a revised figure. But TVJ Sports understands that at least one member is surprised by that assertion, as they say the Finance Committee has not met since December 2019. When asked about the issue on Hits 92 FM's Sports Grill, ASAJ President Martin Lin had this to say.
I would definitely now say no comment because you don't have all the facts, and I'd rather not discuss something that's not, we're not on the same page for that. So it's not fair to discuss that.
Campbell is the national 50 and 100 meter breaststroke record holder.